How to verify your Binance account instantly. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can verify our Binance account quickly and easily. Whether you are a beginner or just want to get verified fast, in this video, we will walk you through the whole process. So let's just get started. First of all, head over and open up the Binance app on your mobile device or head over to the Binance website. After you have successfully logged in your Binance account using your email or your phone number and password, you will be finding your Binance page, and if you haven't verified your account, you can easily find this option called Verify Identity. So you're just going to tap on this yellow box with Verify Identity and you will be taken to another page where the verification will start. So here, you will be asked to upload a photo of your ID. You can choose from a passport or a driver license or a national ID. Make sure the photos are clear and all the details are readable, and you need to choose your country as well. After that, continue with the process and you need to enter your name, your date of birth, your country and nationality. And then once your ID is uploaded, you will need to take a selfie holding your ID. This helps to verify that you are the person in the ID, and make sure you are in a good lighting and your face is clearly visible. So after uploading everything, just double check your info and tap submit, and Binance will now review your documents. And after it is reviewed and the verification complete, it may take a few minutes to a day. If your documents are clear and valid, you might just get verified instantly. And that is it. Now you have successfully completed the verification process and you're all set to start trading, depositing, and withdrawing on Binance. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Binance tutorials. And drop any questions if you have in the comments below. And I will get back to you as soon as I can. And thanks for watching and happy trading.